Hi guys. So remember I said I would make that video about my firearms. Well, here it is, and so we're gonna start off down over to this one. This one I do have it's a trim plate, but it came on this one right next to it. It's set on 15 candela chime. So I might switch it over. I probably won't though. But yeah, the one right after it has the same chime tone, but it's an older model because no diffusers and upgraded diffusers, but it does have the side one, which is actually curved. Same chime tone, everything. No damage there. Then we have this Commander One Rotsrobe. For this one, Gentex got rid of their SHG series, and then they came out with this. They got rid of it in 2000. But this one was made in 1998. So this one might have been it's a prototype, which if it is pretty cool. This one was made in 2015, and then this one was 2006, I think. I don't know because I can't see it right now. But this one, I don't know. It should say it's upside down. 2006. Okay. This one was made in also 2006. It should say it right there. Yep. 2006. This one. 2015. They have. Oh, shoot. They all have the same candela. Setting on them, except this one though is fixed. They all have the same time to except for that one because I did not change it yet. But this one is a 75 candela model. So yeah, I yet have to had tested them yet. So well, I'll see that. I'll see if they work soon. So yeah. Hopefully I get to put them on those pieces of wood I wanted to, and get that pool station to go with that one over there, so I can put it on both of the wooden boards. And these were the ones I'll take off. So yeah, you will see that video soon, and hopefully you like the videos I make. So yeah, bye.